Okay, so a quick tour of a plot of land. It's 40 metres by 20. That's 800 square metres in total. So I'm actually walking down what will be the side of the house. Not much to see at the moment, as you can see. There's two plots behind us. I'm going to start building on there soon as well. But just waiting for the electricity and the water to be put on temporarily so we can start digging out. That's my temporary storage unit there. So I'm going to be digging out the ground starting next week, hopefully. The water's supposed to be going on Monday and we start digging out. Got lorries booked, diggers, and they're going to be digging out pretty much all of the ground here. So I can have a 200 square metre basement garage, which will be 3 metres underground. There'll be a garage for 3-4 cars and a workshop, a small gymnasium area and a bathroom. And then where I'm standing now is where the pool's going to be. Going to have a swimming pool here in this corner, and then it'll be similar to the shape of the one in front there, the house across the road. And we'll have 4 bedrooms, 2 downstairs and 2 upstairs. Further 2 more bathrooms upstairs. So 4 bedrooms in all, 3 bathrooms. And the house build itself will be another 230 square metres build on top of the 200 square metre garage. So about 400 and something metres in total. And we're just 5 minutes down the road there. Turn left, turn right, and there's the beach. So it's quite a nice area here. Very quiet, one of the reasons I love coming here.